guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you guys the difference between drop shipping and just buying wholesale. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please continue watching. Before I get started, I want to give a subscriber shout out today. So today's subscriber shout out goes to Angel Sunlight. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you are watching this video, leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll be sure to film those. So now I'm basically just going to explain what drop shipping is, in case some of you don't know, because I have gotten comments on my video asking me about drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically when you partner with a wholesaler that sells products that you want to sell on your online store. So whenever you receive a sale on your website, then you transfer that information, the customer's information, over to the wholesaler, and then that's when they start processing the information for you. So you don't have to worry about like shipping the product or anything like that. You literally don't have to worry about inventory or anything, and that's one of the benefits about drop shipping. I think that's why so many people have gotten into drop shipping too, even though it's a really competitive market. So with drop shipping, you basically don't have to actually order the item until the customer orders it. So that's another benefit too. Like, you're not just spending money on a whole bunch of inventory that may or may not sell. You're able to just purchase exactly what's needed and the customer gets it. And I also want to mention that the customer doesn't have to know that you are drop shipping. They don't have to know that you don't have any of the inventory or any of the stock, because there are even like big companies that do drop shipping but they don't say it. So it's not just smaller brands that do drop shipping, it's also big corporations as well that do drop shipping. So it's something that is reliable, but there will be times where a customer orders something on your website but it's out of stock. Where a customer orders something but it's out of stock with your wholesaler, so you would just have to be ready to give those people a refund and just handle it as professionally as you can. So another one of the benefits is that you could offer like a wide variety of products to your customer without having to have all of those products within like your warehouse or your home or wherever you would usually have your merchandise. So that's another benefit about it, and you don't have to worry about wasting money on inventory. Most companies do offer drop shipping along with just regular wholesale. So if you use Shopify does have trusted wholesale vendors that you can use. They have like different apps and stuff on their website that you could just go on and you could just see different wholesale vendors that offer the products that you're looking for. Because just like with anybody who wants to start a boutique or anything who's trying to find a wholesale vendor, it is difficult to find wholesale vendors if you just search wholesale vendors on Google for some reason. I don't know why, but it is so difficult. So I would definitely recommend using Shopify for your online store, just so that you could... Is the camera shaking? Okay, so wholesale now is basically when you partner up with a wholesale company and you just purchase items from them, and it's like you're not purchasing them when a customer orders it, you're just purchasing it right away, right off the bat. So when you're purchasing from wholesale vendors, it comes in a pack of usually 6 or 8 pieces, and I'm talking about clothing items. I'm not sure how it would work for like bags or shoes or anything like that, but when it comes to clothing items, you'll receive like 6 or 8 in the pack, and it'll have like 2 large, 2 smalls, and 2 mediums, or vice versa. Like the sizes will be switched around, or like maybe they'll have 3 larges and 3 mediums. It just depends on the company and the brand that you're shopping with. So with the wholesale vendors, you would have to worry about what you'll do with that merchandise that you purchase. I think basically it all just depends on what you're looking for exactly. I think drop shipping is a good market to get into if you don't really have like a specific brand that you really want to build. Maybe you just want to do what's competitive in the market and what's really selling great at that moment, and that's how you want to utilize your online store. But then I feel like if you want to build your own brand and your own company, then you should just go with wholesaling. Or maybe you could just start off with drop shipping and see how it goes, see how you like it, and then you could just switch over to creating your own or buying from wholesale vendors. Yeah, in the end, I feel like it's really all up to you and what you're looking for as a company and what your end goal is. Yeah, it's basically about your end goal and what you want. So let me see if there's anything else I wanted to mention. Yeah, so I feel like there are basically challenges and benefits within both of those markets. It just depends on what you're looking for as a business. Either way, overall, the main thing that you would really have to focus on is marketing your products the right way, because when it comes to having an online store, I think that some people kind of think, when it comes to having an online store, I think that some people kind of think that it's going to be easy to sell things because a lot of people use online, because a lot of people shop online and stuff like that. But there are so many different things that go into it. So if you really want to have a successful online business, you just have to really know how to market your products the right way. That's really the key to making sales as a business. And when it comes to drop shipping, I've noticed that it seems like a lot of people think it's really easy, but you still have to do a lot of sourcing and you have to do a lot of marketing in order to get people to get onto your site and to actually trust shopping with you. So it's also the same when you buy from a wholesale vendor and you're creating your own website and things like that. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and hit the bell to be notified when I do upload videos. I'm trying to upload more business related videos because I noticed that you guys seem to be more interested in those. So if there are any other things that you would like for me to film, then leave them in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.